Hello! I'm Mario the Maker Magician, and this is Maker Gigi.
Hello.
Today we'll be making the funny flower from the Maker Magician's Handbook.
We need markers,
Scotch tape,
Ziploc bag,
scissors, and a piece of paper. The first thing we need is the track from the Ziploc bag. The track is what seals the bag.
Cut the bag off the track. Cut this side too.
You should be left with only the track. Take your scissors and snip one end of the track like that.
Take your paper and cut a triangle from it. Ta-da! This is going to be the head of our flower, so we need to make it look like a head of our flower.
A head of our flower! Go like this.
I'm going to do a pattern.
Yeah, that's perfect. It's beautiful! Next, we tape our stem to our flower, making sure the snipped end is at the bottom. All right, we built the prop.
Now what are we going to do with it?
We gotta perform it.
But how do we perform it?
I will teach you! So this is the secret. This is on a track. So that means this can slide because we snipped it at the bottom. All you have to do is slide your thumb up and the flower will go down. If you slide your thumb down, the flower will come back. Use your fingers as a wall to block the audience's view of your thumb. We hold it with our thumb and hands like this. This is my funny flower, and it is controlled with my mind. When I say down, the flower goes down. When I say rise, well, guess what? You'll just have to see. Home.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Everybody smell your armpits now! No, I'm just kidding. I don't know why I said that. That was embarrassing. Blow on the flower, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Take a deep breath. Eh? You could do this too. This is one of my favorites where you can say, flower go down, do nothing. Flower go down, do nothing. Look this way, make the flower go down. Why isn't it working? So you don't have to use a flower. You could do a cat paw or a head-banging robot. Use your imagination, use your creativity.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That was great, Gigi.